All right, snacking with Chris in New Orleans. Got the Lions, got the Bees with the went to what you call it, Bourbon Street. What else we go?
Canal Street.
Canal Street. You can get in.
I am.
It's shaking. So I got some new snacks, some new ones. I got Philly cheese Pringles. That's something new. I ain't never seen it. I just got it out here in New Orleans. That's the honey hot. That too. That's something new. I got the hot ones. This hot one's Los Calinas. I don't know.
Las Calientes.
Es Caliente. There you go. Es Caliente. And I got the everything bagel bingo. And I also got Zappa's Spicy Cajun. I don't know if I tried that one. I think I did try that one. But this one I really wanted to try. The hotter and hot jalapeno. Yep, hotter and hot jalapeno. You wanna do that one? Tell me in the comments what you think about these, or have you ever tried these? And I got these is Elmer's New Orleans cheese wheeze. I just picked these up. These are out here in New Orleans. And I also got this pie. It's made fresh here. So I just picked these up, checking them out. And then these right here, the Sweeties gummies. These are new. I never seen these. So I just picked these up. There's there's a smoke shop that has like exotic candy too. I gotta go in there, or exotic chips. I might go in there tomorrow, pick some up. I also got this too. I'm pretty sure y'all ate this before. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the channel. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do this one on the channel. I might do this one later. But you gotta eat the whole thing. I ain't gonna eat the whole thing. I mean, unless I eat it tomorrow, I just do it on the channel. Yeah. It's the Pop Rock. It's the rock candy stick. Rock candy on the stick. There you go. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna try the Philly cheesesteak. Let's see what these about. Let's see if they really taste like Philly cheesesteak. Actually go to Philly. Go to Philly for these. See it? Let me see that shit. Get to it. Hey, that tastes just like Philly cheesesteak. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, this bursting with flavor right here. I just put a Philly cheesesteak on a chip. Pringles.
Those are actually really good.
10 out of 10, yo. Which one?
The hot honey.
We're gonna do the hot honey one. You wanna try this one? See what it tastes like? Hey. I think I'll put it. There you go. There you go. How it tastes?
Those are different. Kind of weird. Those are kind of weird.
I mean, I can taste the honey, and it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
But on the Pringo, I give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah, I give this a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. It's not that good, but it's not, it's like in the middle. Put those up. Try these hot ones. What's that? Los Caliente. Los Caliente. I see it. Hot ones. With the hot ones. I mean the hot honey. It's hard to get the Pringles out.
Okay, tell me how hot.
Let's see how hot these
Oh,
are.
you just smelled it here.
Oh yeah, this spicy. It smells
Ooh.
spicy.
Oh, I'm scared.
Mmm. Mmm.
Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
Really hot?
Spicy. Spicy. Hey, these are spicy, y'all. These are spicy. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, these are spicy. If you don't like spice, this ain't for you. I like spice. I like spice.
Ooh, that's hot.
Wow.
That's really hot.
10 out of 10. 'Cause I like hot stuff. 10 out of 10.
That's really hot.
It's spicy. It's spicy. All right, let's do the everything bagel. I didn't even post these, and I'm trying them out.
I'm crying. My eyes are tearing up.
She's not used to spice.
That's really hot.
Yeah, I told you that's hot.
Like my lips are
It's a
burning.
hot one.
No, my lips are burning. What does it have? Like ghost pepper or something?
No, that's not no ghost pepper. Let's see. I'm holding this one up. This is the everything bagel. I don't see no ghost pepper in this.
Woo.
It's just she can't take heat. Let's try this everything bagel. Mmm.
Is it good?
That tastes like an everything bagel with the cream cheese on it. It tastes like an everything bagel. See her reaction.
That's kind of weird.
It
It's
tastes,
nasty.
it tastes like everything bagel. If you like everything bagel, this is it. This is it. But you can taste the cream cheese and the everything bagel in it.
That's
I give it an 8 out of 10, really. 8 out of 10, but you can really taste the flavor in that.
Okay.
What?
So really,
What you got there?
out of the 4, the Philly cheesesteak one was the best.
The hot one second.
And then if you like heat, then I would say the pop.
The last one is
But
the
other
hot honey.
two,
And then the everything bagel is after that.
Yeah.
All right,
Those are nasty.
let's get to these Louisiana snacks. I want to try this one. See what that one tastes like. That's that Cheese Whiz. Hot and spicy cheese curds. Hot and spicy cheese curds. Let's open this up. See what it tastes like. Oh dang. Look at these. Ooh, they smell spicy. Look at y'all.
Hot and spicy cheese curls.
Curls.
Is it really hot?
Mm-mm. It's not as hot as some hot ones. They're sneaking up. They're not hot. They're not that hot. There's a little kick. A little kick to it. But it tastes really good.
Actually,
It tastes good. I like those.
these are good.
Yeah, I get those at 10 out of 10.
But they are hot or spicy.
Yeah, they're a little spicy. A little
But they're
spicy.
good.
They're not that spicy like the hot ones. Some hot ones.
Those hot ones.
If you don't like spice, don't get those hot ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they good. I like those. It's like a Cheeto. These are better than Cheetos, actually. These are better than Cheetos. Yeah. And that's
They're
saying,
really good.
that's saying something. All right, we're gonna try these Zappers. Or Zappo, what is it called? Zaps?
Zaps?
Zaps. Hotter than hot jalapenos. Another Louisiana thing. Smells funny.
Smells funny.
Smells funny. That's how it looks. Smells funny. Let's try it. Mmm. Good flavor. But it's not that hot. Not like those hot ones, Pringles. It has flavor. It got good flavor too. I say it's a 9 out of 10.
These are pretty good.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 on these.
Most definitely.
Yep. Yep, those are really good. I think I tried these on my other channel. Not my other channel, my other video. Put in the comments and tell me if I tried this one already. Well, I might have to look back in the videos and say, hey, I did try those. And I'll put it in the comments myself. I'm gonna try it. Potatoes. I don't think I did either. Let's see that. I think I tried that at home in Vegas. Hey, these taste like some seafood.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Is it nasty or?
It tastes like seafood. And
Like fish or like crab?
it says crawfish.
Oh, so it's fish.
Yeah, crawfish. It ain't like fish, like catfish, none of that. It's crawfish. But I mean, it got fish in it, so hey, put in the comments, if it's fish. Cause I said crawfish is like like shellfish. That's what I meant. Like shellfish, not like catfish.
No.
You don't like it? I do. All right, so we're gonna get to the sweets now. I'm gonna try this pie. It's what is that?
New
New
Orleans style pies, lemon.
Oh, you can put it in the microwave for 25 seconds for delicious treats. But I'm gonna try without putting it in the microwave. Excuse me. I'm gonna try without putting it in the microwave. But if y'all wanna put it in the microwave, if y'all come out here to New Orleans, y'all can do that.
Put the pie in the microwave.
Oh, this reminds me of the regular pies that people pick up, the lemon pies. Y'all know what pies I'm talking about. It's got the, yeah, that's what it look like.
Is it good? Okay.
It tastes just like that lemon pie. What's the name of that lemon pie? If you put in the comments if y'all know what I'm talking about. Put it in the comments. What pie I'm talking about. Put it in the comments. It tastes good.
It's not bad, actually.
It's just, these right here, they get a little too sweet. But it tastes good though.
That's sugar.
Boy.
But it's good. It's kind of like those apple pies my parents get. You know the ones.
That's basically. I give it an 8 out of 10. That's too sweet.
It's good, but it's really sweet.
8 out of 10. If they had the cherry one, that would be good. Let's try these. These are squishy sweet Smarties.
You got that at that shop?
I got this on Bourbon Street. At the what's that place called? The restaurant? They had a store.
Victorious.
No. Denny's place, whatever it's called. Denny's, that's the name of it. It's a seafood spot on Bourbon Street.
But next to it was Victorious. That's where you got those.
No, it's called. It was the actual store of that place. You didn't read in there?
Yeah, but the store name was Victorious. I thought it was.
I guess so, because when I got the receipt, it said dinner, whatever that place.
It's probably affiliated with it.
I guess so.
But on the door it said Victorious, and I thought they were running it because it was Victorious.
Victoria's Secret. It's really squishy.
Well, I don't like Smarties to begin with.
You said you love Smarties.
I don't really like that.
I guess not.
So, I would say probably
It tastes good to me. I give it a 7 out of 10. What's a 7 out of 10? Wait, let's see her reaction. Nasty? She probably don't like the texture.
it's like
I give it a 7 out of
it's like squishy
10. What is
and
it?
sticky at the same time.
Put in the comments if you eat some squishy Smarties.
Sticky.
Yeah. So up next, the rock candy on a stick. The rock candy on a stick. Dude, this is noise. I had candy like
Is
this.
that popping in your mouth?
Nah. This is rock candy. See, look y'all. See it glistening. Rock candy. Alright, let's try it.
That's strawberry flavor.
Mm.
Is it good or bad?
It's like a burst of sugar. It's like a burst of sugar.
So it's not good?
You can taste the strawberry a little bit. But it's like pure sugar. It's like they dumped a whole sugar bag on this stick
And turned it red?
and turned it into some rock and put a little bit of strawberry on it. You might as well buy a bag of sugar. You might as well buy a bag of sugar. I get this a 4 out of 10.
Really? Is that bad?
It just tastes like pure sugar.
You can't.
Dang, oh, you dropping it. Yeah, see? Look at her face. That ain't it.
Oh,
That ain't it. It's just pure sugar. It's like you poured the bag of sugar in this.
oh my God.
Yeah, you want to be a diabetic, get like 5 of these. You will be a diabetic in the kids will like these. The kids. Give these to the kids. If they like them, I don't know. Just don't give them the whole stick.
Okay,
Just break
so
it off.
Pick your favorite 3.
My favorite 3,
Yeah.
I'm throwing this away. Sorry. I like the Philly. That's going first.
Okay.
The hot ones. That's the second one. The hot ones, good.
Like out of all your 10.
And this. These are my top 3.
Those are your top 10?
These are my top 3. Hot ones
Okay.
and this. That's it.
Okay.
Yep.
So, my top 3
That's your top 3.
are this one first,
And then what else?
this one second, and this one last.
There you go.
Top
There
3.
That's top 3. Well, alright y'all. Thank you for Snack with Chris. We out. Subscribe, like, share, subscribe,
Give us more ideas.
comment on the bottom of this channel, please. Let me know what you think. Alright, Snack with Chris out.